day, everyone, especially to Ma'am Agnes. My life as a future educator. Becoming an educator has always been my dream. I believe this journey is not only about teaching, but inspiring others and lighting the fire of curiosity in young minds. As I stand here today, I see a future full of possibilities where I can shape the world one student at a time. I know that being an educator is not something made easy by any means. Sometimes it feels like I'm about to go upstream in my own every chances, and harless that may try to test my faith and strength may arise. First, let me say the elephant in the room. Teaching is no walk in the park. It takes dedication, patience, and a heart that genuinely cares. My journey to becoming a teacher has been filled with ups and downs, but each challenges has taught me to roll with the punches. As a future teacher, I found that words are very important, yet words can trip us up at times. Examples of such words include library, pronunciation, February, jewelry, and comfortable, which are always mispronounced. To ensure that this did not happen to me, I put in more efforts to speak them well enough so I could set examples in front of my future students. The future classroom will be a haven where the students is valued and not just a venue where learning takes place. I would want to remind them that every cloud has a silver lining, even when the going gets tough. I should be the teacher that who helps such students find the way forward, much like a lighthouse guiding a ship through a storm. Talking of challenges, the education sector is not exception. The grass always seems greener on the other side. But I know it's here that I belong an educator in its calling, passion, and responsibility that I cherish most. For me, teaching is about more than delivery of information. It includes the establishment of a classroom that is alive with creativity, where each student's uniqueness is both recognized and celebrated. A good teacher is one who is burning lamp as he spends himself for the sake of lighting the way of others. This experience pushes me to give every bit of me to my students so they leave my class not just armed with knowledge but confidence and hope for the future. Becoming an educator is a ride that I dared from the bottom of my hypothalamus. I'm all set to learn, grow, and devote myself toward creating tomorrow's minds. I wish to plant seedlings of knowledge in the minds of my students, which would someday bloom into self-confidence. It's certainly not just a job. One will be entrusted with the opportunity to create ripples that may change the world. I am future educator, growth, nurturing, and my best foot forward. Dear fellow aspiring teachers, let's remember that we hold the power to make a difference. Together, we can pave the way of a brighter future.